Well, hello, and welcome to Omar's Garage. Today we're going to be doing an update on the channel. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but as you can see, the Model X is back in the garage. They still haven't replaced the screen, so I'm waiting on that. But while I was waiting on that, when they were checking it out, they gave me a Model Y to drive around in. It had full self-driving, and today I'm just going to do a little walk around of the car and kind of give my impression of it. This is the Model Y that I got as a loaner from Tesla as they, look at a couple different things on my Model X. It's carbon fiber. It's very similar to Model 3, but definitely looks like it has got more room in the back. It looks like you can, it's pretty cool. Electric. Plenty of cargo room. It's got some there. It's got some over there. And definitely to open keys. Let's see if we can open the trunk. Oh, here you go. That's for the front trunk. Actually, let's open the front. There you go. Take a look, see what the front looks like. This is a dual motor, so it's going to be a little bit smaller. Front license plate. Just got that there. No, I'm not going to mess with that. Good. You can definitely put some carry-on luggage in here. And you do have the panoramic roof. So the entire ceiling is glass. Seats pretty roomy, pretty comfortable. So for the interior of the Tesla, it's pretty simple. It's pretty dirty here, but you're supposed to be able to charge your phones. For some reason in this one, it's not working. And you got some room down there, cup holders, and little cubby. Pretty simple. As you can see, it can pick up red lights. And one thing that's very different, and there's another feature where it has the cameras when you're turning. One of the neat features that I found compared to my Model X is that it actually will stop at red lights when you're on autopilot. Now I have, the first generation 1.0 autopilot, and that does not stop at all at lights or at stop signs or anything like that. So one other thing that I noticed as well is I don't think this has Slacker. I don't know if it's something that you add to it, but the only options are Bluetooth, radio, and Spotify. So I'm wondering if that's just an option where you had to get, the XM radio. But that's something that I noticed as well, that is not on this vehicle. But the self-driving or the autopilot it works really well, Reindeer all around me. Green light. Automatic. All right, as you can see, the vehicle, honestly, I was very impressed with it. They do make a model with a third row seat. So honestly, as a replacement to the Model X, it doesn't have all the luxurious features like the air-conditioned seats and a couple other things, but the full self-driving, the fact that it recognizes lights, All right, as you can see, the Model Y was an excellent car. I enjoyed driving it for a couple days. The range, obviously having that extra range, I don't remember what it was, around 300 compared to the 200 that I normally get at 90% on my Model X. It's a big improvement. The self-driving, the full self-driving was pretty amazing. The fact that it recognizes lights, just completely different. I think it's well worth it. It's an expensive option. I think it's about $10,000, but definitely worth it. The car is roomy. There's so many things about it that I really enjoyed, and honestly, I could see it as a replacement even for my Model X, other than missing some of those luxury items like the self-opening doors, the air-conditioned seats, a couple of things here and there that make the Model X just such a great car. But hopefully you enjoyed that. I'm waiting on, I think February 2nd, I'm supposed to take the Model X in to get that MCU replaced, the main screen, because it's freezing up, at random times. So hopefully Tesla will make it right and replace that, because I do feel like it's a safety issue. We can't see the rear camera when that thing freezes up. I can't open my garage door or close it. So there's a lot of features that, since we don't have any manual buttons, it's very important that that screen is working at all times. So I'll see you at the next one, and we should have a video coming soon. Sorry for taking so long to post something, but life kind of gets hectic sometimes. But thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed already and liked, and please go ahead, and I'll see you at the next one. You all take care and stay safe.